Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve Accenture question which has been asked in July month exam, and this will be very helpful for your 5th of August exam preparation. Friends, we will be solving reasoning question, we will be solving common application questions, we will be solving networking questions, and also few English questions also I have kept it here. So I request all of you to please watch the video till the end. And before we start with question number one, friends, I wanted to tell you, so welcome to the free preparation channel for exam preparation. Friends, where every other channel is charging 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for your exam preparation, we at Online Study for You are doing it for free. So, or at a very nominal price of 100 to 200 rupees. So please do like and share this video. So we keep putting the effort, we keep helping you in your preparation. Now, question number one. So we have 6, 13, 28, 59, question mark, and 249. Now, friends, many of the students ask, sir, as soon as we see the question, how we will get to know the logic, right? So friends, one thing is practice is very important. And now second thing is we need to analyze, like how I do. So here you see 6, 12. That means 6 into 2 will be 12. So something is getting multiplied here, right? So multiplication by 2. 13 into 2 will be what? 26. So it is multiplied by 2 and some number is getting added. 28 into 2 is 56. Some number is getting added. That means here 6 into 2 is what? 12. If we'll add 1, we will be getting 13, right? So this is how we need to analyze. That means these numbers are becoming almost double. These numbers are becoming almost double. Then 13 into 2 will be 26 and plus 2 will be 28, right? And then 28 into 2 will be 56, and if you add 3 it will become 59. Then definitely 59 into 2 plus 4 we need to do here, right? Okay, so friends, please try to analyze here. Now 6 into 2, so multiplied by 2, added 1, then multiplied by 2, added 2. So this basically numbers are getting increased, right? So right, okay, now so 59 into 2 will be what? So 59 into 2 will be 118, and if we'll add 4 to it, 122. So it will come 122. Again 122 into 2 plus next number will be 5. So 244 plus 5 will be 249, right? Which is the last number. So my answer will become here 122, right? So basically you need to analyze for each and every question. Now this you might not be able to see. So 123, 36 and 221, okay? So friends, here 123 is giving 36. How it is? So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. And then if we'll do a square of 6, it will give you 36. And then if we'll make a square of this, it will give you 36, right? Same thing 221. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 square will be giving you 25. 5 square will be giving you 25, right? So like this you will be able to solve the question. So 25 will be the answer, but how to get the logic, right? So friends, from 123, what are the options to get 36, right? So that you have to think. So definitely they are doing something with this number, and then only it is becoming 36. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 square is nothing but 36, right? So 5 square is nothing but 25. Next, what will come at the place of question mark? So we have 3, 2, 7, 6, 11 and what, right? Okay, now so friends, this also getting the logic is very important. So 3 to 2, 7 to 6, right? Right? So 3 minus 1 is 2, right? And 7 minus 1 is 6. So 11 minus 1 will be 10. Okay. See, for one question, there might be multiple logic. For one question, there might be multiple logic. Now 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 4 is 11. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 4 will be 10. So I always say, right? So for this number system, right? For number series, basically for one question, there might be more than one logic. So you do not have to worry at all. Now, next question. So what will come at the place of question mark? So we have 9, we have 17, we have 33, we have 65 and what? Now friends, here you need to again analyze. So this is somewhat near to multiplied by 2. 9 2s are 18, 17 2s are 34, 33 2s are 64, right? Okay. So here what is happening? 9 into 2, 9 into 2 is 18, 18 minus 1 will be 17, right? Okay. And then 17 into 2 will be 34, 34 minus 1 will be 33, and 33 into 2 will be 66, 66 minus 1 will be 65, and then 65 into 2 will be 130, 130 minus 1 will be 129. So option C will become the correct answer, right? So this is how you have to do it. Okay, now friends, anyway, I will make you prepare for the Accenture examination. Okay, so this is a question of the common application, but if you want to, in short term, if you want to prepare for aptitude, right, then definitely one thing which I wanted to tell you, friends. So this, we have launched aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop. The price is 199, and I also told you in the beginning. So friends, we are doing a lot of videos here for free, or we are charging a very nominal price of 100 to 200 rupees, right? So same thing, in 200 rupees, we have launched aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop. And here we are going to do 200 plus aptitude and reasoning questions. Okay. And this all are previous year question, current year questions. Okay. So 2023 and maximum like 2022. So this year questions we are doing it. And recording will be available on daily basis. Each and every question I will discuss from the basics. So everyone will be able to understand even a single problem. Even in fact, you can ask multiple number of times. The link for registration is given in description. Please do it. The classes started today. So yesterday was introduction, right? So from today, basically, we are going to solve a lot of questions, and also we are solving a lot of Accenture questions in that classroom. Okay, now, so which of the following groups is not present under the insert tab in MS Excel? Now friends, so when you open the Excel, no, so if you click on insert, so there are four options are there, right? So charts, text, and table. So tables is here. Okay, so which of the following groups is not present? So table is here, so table option is eliminated. And then text, so text is also there, so text is also eliminated. Then charts. Okay, so where is charts? So charts are there or not? So charts will be there here. Okay, recommended charts, so charts is also there. That means sort and filter is a group which will not be present under the MS Excel, right? So friends, this how you have to prepare. So you have to go through the MS Excel ones. Okay, so you have to go through the MS Excel ones completely to understand. They will be asking you on each and everything, page layout, okay, reviews, views. So they will be asking you questions on each and everything. Now, which of the function is used to land in a specific location of a document? Okay, so friends, here basically this is a different. Okay, so one question is missed out. So friends, they basically bookmarks. Okay, so basically bookmarks. Okay, so basically bookmark. Right, so bookmark is a function which is used to land into a specific location of a document. Okay, now one more question was there, friends. So there were four options were given, and actually that question I was not able to put it here. It has somehow it has got deleted. So they had asked, so which one of them? Okay, so which one of the following, which one of the following is not a font style, not a font style? Okay, and then there was four options were there. One was regular. Okay, one was regular, one was italic. Okay, and then one was bold, and the fourth one was superscript something. Okay, superscript. Okay, so for that only I had put the image here. So regular will be a font size, italic will be a font size, bold will be a font size, but superscript will not be a font size. Okay, so superscript was the answer for that particular question. Now friends, next question is, so what will be the result of the following arithmetic expression? So 8 into 4 plus 2 minus 10. So we have to use BODMAS. Okay, so we have to use BODMAS. So friends, BODMAS says first you solve the bracket. Okay, so 4 plus 2 will be what? 6. Okay, 6 into 8 minus 10. And then we have to solve multiplication. 48 minus 10 is nothing but 38. And there is no such options here, right? So 38 is no such option here. So this was a bonus. So this was a bonus marks. You will get it for that because the question was wrong, right? So here you cannot see the option 38. And many of the students were thinking in the exam that they are doing some mistake. It is very clear, friends. First, you have to solve this. See, there is no other way you can solve this question. There is no other way you can solve this question, right? So even if you do mistake also, you will be getting answer as 38. What else you can do? See, 8 into 4 you cannot do, right? Because this is inside the bracket, right? So definitely you have to solve this first. So 8 into 6, 48 minus 10 is equals to 38. Now, next question. Find the next figure in the given sequence. So friends, we have first diagram, second diagram, third diagram, fourth diagram. Let us try to analyze. So from the first diagram and the second diagram changes is this particular base is removed. Okay, now in from second diagram to third diagram, if you will see, then the other triangle base is removed. Okay, now from third diagram, if you will see, right, from third diagram to fourth diagram, you will see, then this particular line is removed, right? So the triangle left side is removed, the triangle left side is removed. Then fourth diagram also, this triangle left side will should be removed. So basically what we will be having, so we will be having one x figure, so that will become option C. So that will become option C, and that will become our correct answer, right? Okay, now friends, in this question what they have mentioned is, so if pipe is written as 169165, you might not be able to see, then what is the last digit in swan? So friends, whenever this kind of question comes, so you have to use isot. So 5, 10, 15, okay, and 20 and 25, right? So what is the position of P? O is 15, so the position of P is 16. I, so I position is 9, P position is 16, E position is 5. That means here we have to write the position. M, N, O, so N position will be 14. So they're asking what will be the last digit. So last digit will be 4. Option C becomes the correct answer. They're asking the last digit. Now, so from a meaningful sequence, by sequencing the part given below in right order. So play, want, I cricket. So this will become I want to play cricket, right? So I want to play cricket. This is a correct English sentence, right? So even if you don't know, you will be easily able to write this. Okay. So okay. So I is 3. I'm sorry. I is 3. Want is 2, and 2 is 5, and play is 1, and cricket is 4. So 32514. 32514. Option C will become the correct answer. Okay. Now next question is find the next diagram. So friends, if we try to analyze, so we have 4 boxes, and boxes basically are replaced with dots. So then we have 2 boxes, so we will be having uh, two basically this circles, right? So 2 circles if we try to see, then definitely we have it here, right? So we have it here, and in this particular, see here one circle will come, and here one circle will come, right? So that is the only first diagram is giving it to you. Then this is a data sufficiency question. So friends, many of you were telling, sir, aptitude is not there in Accenture. So I had told you aptitude is there in Accenture, but in the form of data sufficiency. Okay. So this you can see, this is a problems from the edges, right? So this is a problems from the edges. And now this has been asked in the form of data sufficiency. So Rahul, okay. So in question, in which year Rahul was born? So Rahul at present is 25 years younger than his mother. So definitely statement 1 we cannot answer, because see Rahul is 25 years less than his mother, but but when Rahul was born, we cannot say. When mother was born, we cannot say. Now statement 2. Rahul brother, who was born in 1965. So Rahul brother was 1964. Is 35 years younger to his mother. Now, so from here we will be easily able to find out the mother date of birth, right? So mother would have born 35 years before. So it will become 9 and to 1929. So the mother was born in 1929. Okay. Now, so friends, now from statement 2 also, we cannot say when Rahul was born. Okay. Because in the statement 2, they have not discussed about Rahul with respect to anyone. Okay. Now, so now we both will combine. Okay. So friends, we know that Rahul age is 25 years, 25 years less than 25 years less than the mother age, right? So you will be easily able to find out the Rahul age, because we know when the mother was born. So if we use, okay, both 1 and 2, then only we will be able to answer, right? Now, so here Rahul, so when Rahul was born, so 1929 and plus 25, so this will become nothing but 1954, right? So Rahul was born in 1954, and his mother was born in 1929, right? So like this you will be easily able to answer. Now friend, question number 2. So which one of the following is a valid email address, right? So friends, valid email address means what? So it should be abc at, so you might have seen abc at samsung.com, right? So you might, you get mail from Accenture. So like they will write prateek kumar at accenture.com, right? So this kind of email you will be getting from the Accenture. Now, so please try to find it in the same format. So you see Jawat at point.com. So right, so pratik at accenture.com, gmail.com. So there should be a at which is missing here. T point at com, t point at.com. So after at you should be having this kind of format. So this is also wrong. Java points at books, so this is not a valid email address, right? Okay, now the term HTTP stands for, so friends, HTTP will be nothing but hypertext transfer protocol, right? So we get right, so HTTP and then slash facebook.com, so this kind of websites you open, right? So here HTTP is nothing but hypertext transfer protocol. I have also put it here so that there will be no this thing. So you remember transfer protocol, that's all. Because see, generally it will be like the confusion will be like program or protocol. So transfer protocol you keep remember. Now, so in a certain code, missions, okay, so missions is coded as MSIISNOS. Then how is online written as? Then how is online written as? Okay, now, so this we will try to understand, friend. So M and X they have fixed it. So O and E will be fixed. Okay, then what they did, so they started interchanging the position with the next letter. Okay, now, so S came here, I came here, I came here, S came here, N came here, O came here. So L will come here, N will come here, then N will come here, I will come here. So OLNNIE. So option A will become the correct answer for this particular problem, right? Okay, then, so which command is used to quit PowerPoint? So it is nothing but Alt plus F4. It is nothing but Alt plus F4. So if you are using a PowerPoint and if you want to quit it, right? So right now I am in the PowerPoint. So if I want to quit it, I will press Alt plus F4. So this I will show you at the end. Okay. So I will press at the end Alt plus F4, and then we will see if it is quitting or not. Now, so this particular question, friends. Okay. So in the following series, a wrong number is given. Find out the number. So here you see, so 150 plus 300 will be 450, plus 300 will be 750, and plus 300 should be 1050. So that is not there. So this is the culprit. Okay. Here you see plus 300. Here you see plus 300. So only this portion, here we are getting the mistake. So this 1060 is the wrong number given in the series. Now, choose the odd one out. So friends, a spoon, sword, knife, and fork. So in kitchen, what all we will use? So in kitchen, we will use a spoon, we will use knife, we will use fork, and when in the battle, we will be using sword, right? So this particular one is odd one